I would like to present the Premier of Italy, even if it can't because it is 2 hours we wait. Austria, avanti dai. Mr. Renzi qua will explain how he wanted to simplify the 730 fiscal model. Sì. Please, Mr. Renzi.
Thank you very much. Nice to meet you this evening. Fiscal simplification. This is our mission.
Va bene?
No more complications.
I wanna again. Guarda sti qua come chi si pai.
I'm started to introduce to my idea. Oh, what's happened? Psst. A posto. Come siamo ben? The 730 is expensive. For me and for you, okay? So, I invent this solution. Ancora questa telecamera!
Se Dio veniamo mal da mare, stia.
There is too much bureaucracy, too much laws, too much confusion. Ecco, this is my solution. In the new 730 there is my IBAN, okay? Italian people put all their money in my account. All their money. And I promise no more taxes, no more laws, and no more bureaucracy. Friends like before, amici come prima. Okay? Without money, Italians can live the rest of their life in peace and serenity. This is the better solution for you and for me.
One for you, one for me.